And the Chiefs are back at Arrowhead this weekend. They'll take on the Chargers.
So here's Team Cocktail with a rum punch that's perfect for tailgate and touchdown party at home.
We're going to be making a rum punch recipe today that I'm calling Chiefs Pack a Punch. So let's get started. First, you're going to want to have a pitcher, and we're going to do 2 cups of orange juice. So pick your favorite orange juice or whatever you have in the house. All right, and that's going to go straight into the pitcher. Okay, then next we're going to do 2 cups of pineapple juice. So about 2 of the little cans if you buy the cans of pineapple juice. I love making rum punches because they're so easy. You can make a large batch of them at once. So really you could double this recipe if you don't think this is going to be enough for your group. The 2 cups of pineapple juice. Then you're going to want to do a 1/4 cup of lime juice. And I recommend fresh squeezed always. I just think it tastes better. So a 1/4 cup of lime juice. And then about 3 tablespoons of grenadine. So about 3 splashes. And if you look, you can see we've got our Chiefs colors already showing up. So that red and gold, we're ready for the game. All right, just like that Mahomes is the star of the Chiefs, we've got the star of our drink, and it is rum today. So I'm gonna be using the Captain Morgan Black rum, but you could use any rum that you have or that you like. I have a few others of my favorites on the counter over there, you can see. And so you're gonna do a 1.5 cups of rum. Oh, I guess we might as well just finish the bottle. So you've got your 1.5 cups or a little bit more of rum. And then all you have to do is stir it up. So we're gonna stir that in the pitcher. And that'll be ready to go. Now, if you wanna make your drink colorful, you're gonna take your glass with ice and put just a little squeeze of grenadine at the bottom. And we're gonna pour, and then we're gonna pour a rum punch over the top. So we get that nice red and gold color for our Chiefs. Oh, it smells so good. All right, then we're gonna garnish with an orange wedge and some maraschino cherries. So right on top there. And there you have it, the Chiefs Pack a Punch. I hope you guys all enjoy. Let's go Chiefs, cheers.
Love it. Red and gold, everything we need, hopefully to put that W in the win column when the Chiefs play right here on KCTV5 noon at Sunday.
All right, and of course, always drink responsibly. Remember that, especially when you're starting early on Sunday with that noon game. It is
7 a.m. for a lot of people.
Right? I know that parking lot is going to be packed.